Hi there, my name is Deanna Benjamin, and I am going to go through and introduce a device also called the Tobii Dynavox i10 series. This is an AAC device that those would use to communicate that have some verbal communication issues or they are not able to communicate clearly. So the Tobii Dynavox i10 series is a voice output device that can be customized to anyone. It operates very similar to an iPad or tablet. It does have camera capabilities to take photos and upload into the program itself. This particular AAC device is a handheld portable device that allows those that are not able to communicate verbally or clearly. This device is a voice output device, as I mentioned, that generates the ability for individuals that cannot speak or have impaired speech. This device can track a person's eyes to make a selection of a picture that they are looking at, and also it has the touchscreen capabilities as well. So this device, you can make a selection or looking at a phrase or a picture. The screen itself, like I said, has the touchscreen capabilities. I actually do not have a Tobii Dynavox with me, but I do have an iPad, as I said, is very similar, just to model some of the examples. So the word board is pretty simple. It looks similar to what I have here. And it is made up of different pictures that have words associated with them as well. And a person could make a selection, for example, if they are wanting to eat or drink something, you could select the food and drink option.
Food and drink.
From there, it will populate some food and drink options, like I said, and you could select something such as the milk on there to state, I would like a glass of milk. So again, you would on the screen here, select milk, and it will go ahead and put up a picture of a milk carton. And on the bottom of the picture, I don't know if you can see there, but it also has the word form as well. So there are several different options on here, and as I mentioned, it does have the camera capabilities. So for instance, you wanted to take a picture of particular food options that you know that your student or family member enjoys, such as specific bags of chips or different drinks that they might prefer or things that they typically would like. There is also another option on there as well as feelings. You could do something as well as family members. So if you wanted to take pictures of each of your family members, you could upload them and put the name with it as well. So for instance, you could put a picture of a student's mom or dad as well as siblings on there as well. So when they are talking about a sibling, they can actually put a face to a name. So I'm just going to go ahead and show another example of maybe feelings, for instance.
Feelings.
We have a hard time maybe differentiating how a person might feel. So they could, by looking at the picture, if they are not able to physically select it, and so on there, they could say, for instance, if they are sick.
Sick.
And that way you would know how they are feeling. So the estimated cost for the device is based on insurance options as well. The base model comes with the software options, and in there does not include things such as cases, but these are, like I said, all subject to insurance. And there are also other options to purchase the device, and that is maybe through a school or a speech program, or like I mentioned, insurance, or there's also lots of grants out there. It is, a little on the expensive side, but when you are giving somebody a voice, I guess how can you put a price on that? So I want to thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.